Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app and okay. All right. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. Unfortunately, I cannot see the camera timer right here, so it is not highlighted in this option bar. So we have to open the settings. Let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and now we have to find the timer option. So it should be in this general section. Let's tap on it. In this device, we've got 4 different options of the timer, so off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, it will be immediately applied, as you can see. We can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 or 2, I believe, depending on which option you've chosen. And after the time, it will take a photo. So this is how it works. Of course, you can also remove it, turn it off completely. Just enter the settings again, tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.